Alright guys, so we put together the Ring Floodlight. Now we are putting Ring Chime Pro. This is what it comes. We did the unboxing before. So I'm going to open it. Check out the unboxing video we did before and you will know what does it has. I'm gonna keep the MAC ID and all those things. This is the Ring Pro like this. It doesn't have anything. Now it says follow these steps, download the Ring app, which I already have on my phone. I'm gonna open this Ring app and it says scan this barcode. So if you can see my camera, I can say set up the device, Chime, and this is Chime Pro. So I'm gonna do Chime Pro. Chime Pro has actually a location. It has the Wi-Fi extender also. Now it says to this, and I am going to put the Chime Pro right here with the extender, and I'm like, okay, I did that. Now this is hallway, downstairs, or what entrance. I'm gonna do custom entrance, main entrance. Continue. I say continue. It will say now connect to Chime Pro.
Chime Pro is in setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
Okay, it says now you are then select go to Wi-Fi setting and select Chime Pro. Okay, I'll go to Wi-Fi settings and there should be a network called Chime Pro. I'm connecting to Chime Pro now. Now it is set up. The scanning for Wi-Fi. Connect to Shake Wi-Fi. I'm gonna say yes. Now it's connecting. This is blinking blue.
Chime Pro is connecting to your Wi-Fi network.
Now it says it is completed, and it says you need to do the motion alert for this and ring alert for this one. That's all it needs. And if I say motion alert for this, then I can say connect to Chime Pro. Front door has a good connection to Wi-Fi network. Are you sure you want to? Next, yes. Okay, that's all you need. Release the button. I have to go release the button, so I'm gonna cancel this right now. I'll do it later. But I'm gonna connect to Chime Pro to my front door. Sorry, cancel this one to the floodlight, and I'll say yes. I'm not outside. I think I need to go to the outside and then connect to those.
Chime Pro is looking for your Ring device.
And that's how you will connect to all of those.
Chime Pro cannot find your Ring device.
I'll connect to this.
The Ring device is in range,
and then I'll put in the range.
Mode.